In this video, I'll show you how to record your phone calls inside your Samsung Galaxy device. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's jump straight into it. All right, there's a couple of ways to do so. So I'll show you the first way. So what you want to do is click on your phone app on your mobile device, and you want to click onto the three dots, top right hand corner, and then click into settings. And then from here, where it says block numbers, you might or might not have an option to say record calls or call recording, just depending what region or country you're in. They might be enabled or not enabled. So I'm in Australia, so this is not enabled in my country. So a workaround for this is to exit out, head over to your Player App Store, type in record calls, and then download and install an app called Call Recorder by Talker ACR. It's got over 1 million downloads and 25,000 reviews. So go ahead and download and install this app on your phone and follow the process to install it. And then you'll be able to record your future phone calls on your mobile device.